No, now you got backup.
Okay, I know he's going to see that.
You're much taller than you look on TV.
That's some great police work yesterday. And yesterday when you said next time you come back through, you can bring some backup. That's what it's here.
Thank you, sir.
I told you I was gonna bring some backup, right? Yep. Huh? You guys ready?
Yeah.
You bring your good game?
Yeah.
You see, look at these boys I brought. You sure you can take them? So you're pretty sure you can take these guys, right? Well, I brought some other backup for y'all. I brought y'all some backup.
What's up, baby?
Holy God, cute!
Get that out of here. Steph Curry. Steph Curry.
3-point range, I'm
Yeah, that's that playoff defense right there. Oh, double team. Shoot it, baby. Come on. Lift up. Go, big dog, go. Uh-oh, Shaq and Barkley there. Barkley on me. One shot each. Step in my office. You make a shot back there, you get $100. You get 2 shots, you make one, you get $100.
Got this!
That's $100.
Oh yeah!
Talk while you shooting, one more shot. One more shot, violation.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, come on. You got it.
Damn, everybody.
I'm smiling, Dwight Howard. Get serious.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So 7. All right, hold up. Just came out here when I saw the video. Proud of you guys. Stay out of trouble. Listen to your parents. Respect your elders. You can be anything you want to be. I'm from the same neighborhood y'all from. I grew up just like this, so only you can change this. You can change it through basketball and showing respect to your peers like you did. And I'm a man of my word. But listen, don't ever take money from another stranger, you understand? I'm gonna honor my word, but don't be taking money from people, so I'll be right back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh yeah.
Did you shoot? Oh, you got a shot. All right, get on over.
Oh yeah, hand. Oh yeah. Yeah. Let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Oh, good job. My bad.
You all right, Dwayne Wade? Don't be Wade. Keep it up there. Hey! Telling you some secrets that could change your life. You know how much money I made as a youngster? 700 million. You know how I made that? Respecting my peers, listen to my mom and daddy, and focus on school. That's all you gotta do. Alright? I'm proud of you. Alright? Proud of you guys. Stay out of trouble. Be a leader, not a follower. Alright, repeat after me. I will.
I will
Become.
become
Father, man. I will.
I will
Repeat after me, big dog. I'll give you some secrets. I will become whatever I want to be. I will be a leader and not a follower. I will respect my peers, my elders, and especially my parents. All right, love you guys. Wonderful, you good? All right, fellas, go stay out of trouble.
Let's get it right here. Whoa!
Oh, they're having a sign.